In case you missed it, Archax dropped over $50 million worth of real-world assets directly onto the XRP ledger. And Archax is a fully regulated digital securities exchange, broker, and custodian, the first in the UK to get that kind of approval. And so why'd they choose the XRP ledger? They had options, of course. They could have used Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, any number of platforms. But they went with the XRPL for a few really practical reasons. It's fast, dirt cheap to use, and it scales like crazy. When you're dealing with large value transfers, that kind of stuff matters. And so imagine this. Every time someone tokenizes a treasury bond or a money market fund on the XRPL, that's actual real-world utility that's being added. And one of Archax's products is the Aberdeen USD Money Market Fund that's delivering real returns to investors, like 5% yield from legitimate assets. And while traditional banks are still charging absurd fees to move money across borders, Ripple's underlying technology can do the same thing basically for free. And that's part of why Archax's CEO Graham Rodford, who used to run operations at a London-based hedge fund, chose to partner with Ripple. And they're using Ripple custody to secure all these tokenized assets. And so here's what this makes possible. You'll be able to have trading around the clock, not just Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, settlement times that take seconds instead of days, and fractional ownership and serious premium assets with one-tap switching between different types of investments. And so what's the upside for XRP holders? Well, it's pretty obvious. As more institutions move onto the XRP ledger to issue or trade tokenized assets, they're feeding more volume, more activity, and more utility into the network. There's a reason that Ripple's been working to make the XRP ledger serve as the plumbing ready for trillions of dollars worth of real-world assets. And Archax isn't just testing this on one blockchain either. They're already operating across different networks. This is a clear signal that the XRP ledger is going to be leading in some areas. Archax is already looking at real estate tokenization along with carbon credits and other traditionally illiquid markets. And all of it's getting digitized and made tradable directly on the XRP ledger. And this moment's about rebuilding the old financial system, making it faster, cheaper, and smarter, and using blockchain technology that actually works at scale. And it's starting to look a lot more like the XRP ledger is going to be the home of a whole lot of major stuff coming down the line.